Hello everyone, it's me again, Pong from Robotics. Today, we will be continuing the second part of the routing rules videos. If you have not watched the first part, link is in the description. The next two routing rules that we'll be going through today are the percentage rule and the Boolean Table rule. The percentage rule works as it sounds. Products coming in will have certain percentage to be transferred to different routes on the conveyor. Looking at this example here, I had configured the X-diverging conveyor to transfer 50% of the products to the straight direction, while 25% are allocated for left and right directions. The random stream setting here can be changed to other numbers. It acts as a seed value to make sure every time the simulation will have the same outcome for the routed products. Let's watch the simulation. Notice that the first red can product is being transferred to the left direction. Remember that, and let's test out a different random stream number. We'll change it to 2 for a simple test. And now, the first red can product is transferred to the straight direction. The sequence here will not change, no matter how many times we restart the simulation. So that's the usage of the random stream setting. Now, for the Boolean Table rule, it is very simple as Boolean only have the options of true or false. This rule will check on the defined variable from the products to determine the direction that the product will be transferred. For example, a false value will transfer the product to the left direction, whereas a true value will transfer the product to the right direction. This rule also comes with a default connection that we will set the product to go straight on the conveyor. Before we start the simulation, it requires a variable, Boolean variable, to be specific to check the input products and proceed with the proper output direction. For this example, I created a defective Boolean variable on the product types as we can see in the product type editor panel. So let's set the variable in the routing rule and we can run the simulation. The red can with a true defective value will move in the right direction, and the big box with a false defective value will move in the left direction. As for the small box, it will move in the straight direction and it does not contain the defective Boolean property. So the default routing rule is applied to it. One more thing about the Boolean Table rule, we cannot add additional connections or rules to it because Boolean only have true or false value. If we try to add more, it will give us an error. Similarly, we can modify the rule to use other routing rules within the Boolean Table rules as we had learned from the previous video. This works on the percentage rule too. That will be it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next videos as we will be exploring more routing rules. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.